Dismissing several petitions seeking the annulment of the result of the presidential elections held in Kenya on 9th August, the country's Supreme Court has ruled that William Ruto was properly elected as the country's president. The court has thereby denied and dismissed all the allegations of fraud in the elections. The supporters of Ruto celebrated his victory and the Supreme Court's order by dancing, singing and more. No precedent has ever been celebrated in Kenya like this before. William Ruto's rival Raila Odinga and others had alleged that there had been a massive fraud in the elections and presented certain evidences which the court has claimed were false. Mr. Ruto garnered 50.5% of the vote in the closely fought election against 48.8% for Mr. Odinga. The 55-year-old will be sworn in as the country's fifth president next week. Ruto was announced the winner on 15th August amid a divide within the Electoral Commission over the declared outcome. The election against Ruto was reportedly Odinga's fifth and last attempt at presidency. More than half of the commissioners disowned the vote, terming the process opaque, and Odinga launched a challenge in the court, alleging fraud, voter suppression, and impunity by the commission's chair, which was falsified by the Supreme Court in the recent judgment. "We declare the election of the president-elect to be valid," said Martha Koome, the Chief Justice, in a televised ruling. The court dismissed all the allegations of fraud because of the postponement of the elections and added that it did not affect the voter turnout in any way. While Ruto's win is seen as ending a long chokehold on the presidency by powerful dynasties, the new leader's ultra-religious, conservative stance and poor human rights track record has raised some concerns among the public.